Friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a besanchilla. So let's get started. First of all, see the ingredients. 1 chopped onion, 1 tomato, and 1 chopped chili, and some curry leaves. So let's start to make. So take a bowl and put this all ingredients in the bowl. You can take different types of veggies, which one you like, anything you can add it. So I'm adding besan. According to you, take your besan. I take 3 teaspoons of besan. So next you can add some turmeric powder, salt, this small pinch of salt, you can add red chili powder, and then according to you add some water. Mix it well. Just add small sips of water. You can make this type of consistency. You can take a pan and add some, according to you add the oil. I'm just adding small sips of oil. Add some cumin seeds. And put this into the pan. Spread it well. Spread it well, guys. And then guys, put the another side. See this, guys, this type of color you cook. Wow guys, looking nice. And you can add your favorite veggies. I'll just add a tomato and onion. This is very good for health and for also weight loss. This is very good and I will like this. I'm eating this at the dinner. Especially this is the dinner recipe for weight loss. So friends, this is our besanchilla is ready. This is very good for health. You can eat this with brown bread or white bread. This is very good for health, and this is and you can garnish with this type. So bye friends, and subscribe my channel and share this video.